So in part 3 of this series on the Twynham Sixth Form website, we're going to look at some of the rest of the features down in the link section here, and you'll actually notice now that the site is very few pages really, and we wanted to create a very feature-rich site with lots of media in there, lots of visual impact, but they didn't overwhelm with too many pages, so we have just half a dozen more pages to look at. We saw the courses last time in the carousel, so moving on from there, if we look at student life, simple straightforward page, but we wanted to hand this over to the students to produce a rough guide to Twynham. And if you don't visit the site before, it's well worth having a look at the sort of thing the students came up with, just an insider's view on what life is like studying at Twynham School. It's not supposed to be flashy or anything overly polished in terms of the media element of it, but just really to give fellow students an insight into what goes on at Twynham School. You can have a further look at that. And below that we have the gallery. And this is where we've tried to put a range of images that we have taken over the last 2 or 3 years. And it's a simple gallery with click on a section, and this will just rotate and carry on showing what Twynham life is like. You can of course jump through to different parts, so it's possible to navigate that way. That's the gallery, and there's 4 different sections you could see. Also we have a getting to a top uni section, and a lot of work and a lot of time has been spent at the sixth form actually preparing students to make sure that they're doing the right courses and undertaking the right extracurricular work in order to support them getting to a top university. A lot of work's been done that's produced quite a feature-rich brochure here, and students can click on here and it gives them an area where they can download the entire brochure, which takes them through how to get to a top university. And that's some of the links that we use on the bottom of the Twynham Sixth Form website.